Thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. I can't believe it, it's crazy. I want to thank you all so much for the love and support. With the growth of the channel, the actual business and the web shop started to grow significantly, and it just wouldn't be what it is today without the support from you guys. You guys allow me to do what I love doing every single day, which is detailing and everything that's related to it. And it's amazing to get this amount of appreciation from you guys, and I wish I could thank every single one of you. Everyone who has purchased something from the web shop, all the customers who brought in their car to get it detailed, even if you've just given the video a thumbs up, subscribed, or even just watched the videos. I wish I could thank every single one of you. And I try my best to answer as many messages as possible every single day, but there are just so many, and I simply can't get back to all of you. Just know that I really appreciate it, because at the end of the day, you guys are what makes all of this possible by supporting the channel. I started this YouTube channel with the intention of just making a few videos to be able to show to my customers what's possible and what kind of treatments I offer to my customers. So I made a few videos, they got like 100 views, and they kept sitting at 100 views over the next couple months. And I get this question a lot. People ask me, what's the YouTube secret? What do I need to do in order to get views? Honestly, there is no secret. You just gotta stay consistent and you will get views eventually. Just stay consistent. And I know it can be really demotivating to see your videos sit at like 100 views. And that's when most people quit. In fact, I did the same thing. I quit after like 4 videos, but I'm glad I picked it back up. And thinking back of when I wanted to start this business, when I wanted to start this YouTube thing, people told me it just wouldn't be profitable, maybe as a part-time thing. But honestly, that's what pushes me the most. That's what motivates me the most. When people tell me I can't do something, I'll make it work. I don't know how, but I'll make it work. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. Just do you. And I also get a lot of questions about how to start a business, how to improve a business. People telling me they can get more customers or they can improve their existing business. And here's the thing, stop telling yourself you can't do something. Ask yourself, what can I do to make this happen? What can I do to improve this thing? Change that mindset. Don't be negative, think positive. Anyway, I just wanted to share that, and I hope this will motivate some of you. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I wanna thank you all once again for watching this video and for 100K subscribers. I'll see you in the next one.